And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
All right, Jen, we are looking kind of spiffy.
We are, we're all dressed up.
Where are we and what are we doing tonight?
So we are at the Kidani Village side of Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we're having dinner at Sanaa.
Sanaa.
And we haven't been here in a really long time. Joe and I were just talking about that in the car. We probably haven't been here in...
I don't even know how many years.
Yeah, a really long time.
I remember the bread service here was really good. We really enjoyed it, but just have not been able, and I can't say we haven't been able to, we just have done other things. We just haven't done Animal Kingdom Lodge in a long time.
I think what happens is you find those restaurants that you love and you tend to book those every trip, and then other restaurants that you really like just tend to get pushed to the side. And we were talking about it, and when I found a reservation, we were like, yeah, we need to book that. We haven't been there in so long, and we really love the bread service. So I'm really happy we're coming back. Yeah,
I'm glad that we've been able to do different things this weekend. It's been really nice to just spend time with Timmy the last couple of days.
Because family's really important.
And do all of the things that we've been able to do, but some of it's been a little different, you know? So it's been okay. It's been nice. And...
Sanaa, your table is ready.
All right. Why don't you join us and we'll have a lovely dinner, perhaps a drink or two.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this.
I'm excited for the Disney drinkers too. Rear their ugly heads. Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go. Thank you. Thank you so much. Is this everyone's first time dining here? We have dined here before, but it's been a really long time. Yeah, we didn't do anything. We were
Okay, so nice. Okay. All right, well, we are at a two-top, which means we're not sitting next to each other.
Yeah, so it's going to be really hard to film. We're going to have to kind of go back and forth with the camera.
Oh, here comes the non-fun drink. Just water.
I like your funny words there, that non-fun drink.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I know.
It's just water.
That's okay. Yeah. It's just water coming. This is the healthy stuff.
Yeah.
The good stuff's coming next.
Fill you up. Get ready for the cocktails.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I do need to take a drink. I feel very dehydrated.
Yeah, I know, me too. But anyway. How's the water?
Refreshing and cold.
Yes.
With lots of ice, just how I like it.
Yep. All right.
It's water.
So we are at Sanaa,
Yep.
Kidani Village, part of Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Yes.
And
I just ordered, I'm going to get it right instead of having to...
yes, again,
Yes.
and again.
I just have to pull up beverages. Okay, so especially cocktails.
Would you like me to say what you
Nope.
got?
So I ordered the Malawi Mango Margarita, which is a frozen blend of tequila, Vanderham tangerine liqueur from South Africa, mango puree, and fresh lime juice. So that sounds delicious.
It does.
And Joe ordered the African Star Mojito.
Yes.
And that is Star African Rum, Vanderham Tangerine Liqueur from South Africa, fresh lime juice, and mint.
Yep.
So I'm sure that's going to be very light and refreshing.
Yes.
And then we decided to share the Indian style bread service, which we've had before, but again, it's been a really long time, but we know that we love it, so why deviate when you know it's so good? So it's a choice of 5 breads, and with all 9 accompaniments. It's traditional naan, garlic ginger naan, spice naan, onion kulcha, or paneer paratha. Accompaniments are cucumber, raita, roasted red pepper hummus, mango chutney, tomato date jam, tamarind chutney, coriander chutney, garlic pickle, red chili sambal, and spicy jalapeno lime pickle. And I do remember some of these. They sound familiar. Like I totally remember the cucumber, and I remember the pepper hummus, the roasted red pepper hummus. So I'm sure it's going to be delicious.
I remember it being delicious for sure.
Yeah.
So.
I'm really looking forward to this meal.
Yep, me too.
And then we're meeting friends back at Animal Kingdom Lodge at Jumbo House at
Victoria Falls.
Victoria Falls for an evening cocktail or two. Yes.
Yes. We interrupt our regularly scheduled program for a special report from the Disney Drinkers.
Bum, bum, bum.
So, wow.
Doesn't that look pretty?
Yes, it does. So you're gonna try it?
I am, but I have to take pictures before I drink it.
All right, we'll take the pictures. Here's my drink. Oh, you waiting to put them together?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. There's Jen at work. See how hard it is to do this? But these videos
Move
just
your
don't-
hand, yeah.
These videos don't just magically come together. They require quite a bit of effort.
Actually, it would be better if I do it that way, but that's okay. I'll just say it.
Okay.
Okay, the work is done. Now you can enjoy it.
Hold on. Wow. You cannot taste the tequila. And the straw is really crappy because it's a paper straw and you're drinking an icy drink, so.
Yeah. So just drink without the straw.
That is really good. Seriously, you cannot taste the tequila. It just tastes like a mango smoothie.
It does look good.
You'll have to taste it.
I will.
That's excellent.
All right, let me try mine. I got to be careful drinking this because of the lime, but let's just.
And you don't want to take it out because it looks too pretty.
Ooh. But you know what it is? I think I need the straw because.
Do you have to mix it?
Well, it's separated, yeah. So let me.
I know you can totally see the separation.
Yeah. So let me just stir it up a little bit. Let's
Muddle that mint a little bit.
Yep, let's just throw everything in there. There you go.
Much better.
Kind of like what I had to do with your drink earlier today at Epcot. Different video. That was like a million years ago, it seems. But, all right. Let's give it a try. That's better. But it's very light. Like we were at Nine Dragons today at Epcot, and I had a really light ginger drink, which had light rum and ginger in it. So it was a really light drink. And I guess I'm comparing it to the bourbon tasting we had last night at the Edison, and that was like straight up Maker's Mark bourbon. So there was no monkeying around with it. That was strong, and it was really good. Definitely I'll link that video, but what I found is that Maker's Mark 46, they let us try 3 different kinds of Maker's Mark bourbon, and 46 was really good.
That was my favorite too.
Yeah, I really liked that one a lot. So Maker's Mark 46, I might have to stop and pick up a bottle after I finish all the other Jameson and whiskey that I have at home. This is good.
For Indian style bread service, we're going to start with our spicy naan on top. Then we have our garlic ginger naan, traditional in the center. 2 on the bottom are going to be a little bit different. They're stuffed breads. They have paneer cheese, onions, cilantro, herbs, and spices. So we have our paneer paratha and our onion kulcha. For our sauces, they're going to go sweet, mild, to spicy. First one here is our cucumber raita. It's a cucumber yogurt sauce. Mango chutney, tamarind, which is like a sweet, tangy barbecue. Tomato date jam, roasted red pepper hummus, garlic pickle, coriander chutney, jalapeno lime pickle, and red chili sambal.
Wow.
Enjoy. You're very
Awesome.
welcome.
Thank you, Chelsea.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, what do you think? And then, so you've got the rice here, and here's my soup. So I don't even know where to begin, but I guess we'll start with the soup, and you can have yours, and we'll go from there.
Okay. So you want me to just taste the rice
Yeah,
first?
just taste the rice. Let's see what you think.
I just had to I'm making a mess. but I just had a taste for some rice.
It's a lighter jasmine rice, isn't it? Is that what it looks like? Yeah, that's what it looks like.
I made a mess, that's okay.
Yeah, well, that's okay.
All right, you want to taste the soup?
Sure.
I like the little green swirly on top.
Yes.
Are you supposed to like mix that in before you eat it?
Eventually, but for now, it's very fragrant. So I don't know if it's the soup or all of the different sauces.
Does the soup smell spicy?
Yes.
Really?
But I don't know if it's this stuff too. There's something that's in my nostrils and it's making me almost want to sneeze. All right. I love tomato soup. It is rich and creamy and a really, really good tomato taste.
Really?
Yeah, that's really good. It's really good. So far so good.
Awesome. We will touch back after we eat the bread service because obviously we're not going to show us eating and tasting 9 of the different sauces, but we'll give you an overall review when we're done eating.
So just another quick overview before we dig into this. Here are the 9 sauces that come with the bread, and there are 5 different types of bread. So basically, you just tear a chunk of the bread and put a little bit of sauce in it and enjoy it. My soup is really good. Jen's rice, she says, really good. Drinks, really good. So far, Chelsea has been great. She's been taking care of us. Again, no complaints, right? It's all good. But she's just trying to suck the drink out of the straw. I say give up the straw.
It's so high that I'm afraid I'll spill it all over my pants. I mean, it's like impossible to suck it out.
Oh, okay. So, I'm going to start off by saying it was all really, really good.
It was excellent. And our server, Chelsea
was awesome.
Amazing. Ask for her if you're coming to Sanaa. She was wonderful.
I love it when we go to places that we really enjoy, where we have really good food, good meal, but the service is always excellent. It just makes a difference. It makes a huge difference. And when we've had
it really does.
Really good service, people taking care of us, it's always been enjoyable.
Yeah.
But so the bread service with 9 different
dipping sauces.
Dipping sauces. I was going to say, what are we calling them? Dipping sauces. I'd say 7 out of the 9 were all really, really good. I think the garlic one was my favorite. I really like that one a lot.
I like the cucumber and the roasted red pepper hummus.
But the last 2, there's that spicy one, and the guy was it the green pepper one. I have to look those up again to make sure I get those ones right.
The last 2, they're spicy.
Oh my lord, the very, very last one, my mouth was on fire. Yikes. But it was tasty, I guess, but just too much. That was too much for me. I don't have a good, I would not.
You don't tolerate spice?
No, I don't. So anyway, but it was definitely really, really good. We showed as much as we could. The table was...
It's hard when you vlog and you have a 2-top.
Yeah.
It's so much better when you can sit next to, if you film with a partner.
Well, yeah, just sitting next to each other.
Yeah.
It just was not a lot of room on the table. Couldn't even put
That
the camera
too,
up there, so
yeah.
I had to put it away. But had the tomato soup, which was really good. The rice was really light. That jasmine rice was really good. And all the dipping sauces and the breads. Oh man, it's just heavy. Not heavy, but it's just a lot. It's more than you think it would be. That's the whole thing.
Yeah,
so if you get the bread service,
you need to share it. It's
definitely.
a lot for even 2 people.
Yeah.
I would say it would be perfect for 4 to 5.
possibly, but if you're going to order something else, if you're going to get a regular entree, the bread service with an entree is way too much. Yeah. So, but it was definitely a thumbs up. I'm so glad we did it.
It's been a long time.
Yeah. So, anyway, all right.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the Next Gen and Joe on the go action.
Absolutely.
We
always have good, fun stuff going on at Disney, plus all this crazy stuff going on at home. So we always have something going.
We do.
All right. We'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.